ma oko toka nowale kaka jambete riwruok mar UNEP. Mikai Aida Odinga ne oriedo lony mare kama noting'o sombe nyaka kuonde ma opogore mosetie thurka gigo manolero ni okete ong'ala manyime matayo tijno e yo makare. E kindeno bende nofulo ni nengo mar mwandu ne ma en go owuon kaka Aida romo milion 500.
Members, I believe that this is a critical moment when we are presented with an opportunity to shape our environmental future. And if approved by this esteemed committee, I intend to do my level best to help stop killing our planet. I will pursue every specific and set priorities. First, during the United Nations Environmental Assembly held last year, Kenya demonstrated leadership by sponsoring and guiding the passage of 3 significant solutions. These are: 1, promoting sustainability solutions through sports and resilient planet. Secondly, environmental sustainability of artificial intelligence system. And third, environmental dimension of antimicrobial resistance. These are critical, and to ensure effective and efficient achievement, I intend to establish core structures such as specialized working groups, bringing together multiple stakeholders to partner and to do the implementation. I will be keen to advance this agenda, ensuring that Kenya and Africa interests are represented, and working together with other parties to see that the impact of these actions is not just high level, but reaching out the grassroots and impacting the constituency and most vulnerable population whose welfare have always worked to improve. Allow me to reaffirm my deep conviction that the journey I have walked through service, leadership, advocacy has prepared me for this responsibility. Experience I've gained, the knowledge I've acquired, the skills I've sharpened, and above all, the passion and the inner resolve that guide me to have collective sharpened by readiness to serve and champion the interests of our nation.
Governor machon ma Migori Zachary Okoth Obado odagi yie weche mar